sources are telling your channel that the forensic team that visited Shailesh Yadav's room where he was found dead could not lift any samples as the scene of the incident was altered. The room was altered to make it appear normal. Well, that's the update coming on the story now. And let's go across to our correspondent Hemendra, who's joining us on the phone line. Hemendra, this is a serious sort of a development here that the scene of the incident was altered. So does it look like a botch-up by the local police?
Well, the scene of the crime, it appears, has been altered, and whether it was done by the local police or whether it was done by family members, that has to be investigated, because mind you, the family is also saying that they don't want any further investigations into it. In fact, Madhya Pradesh Governor Ram Naresh Yadav was flown into Lucknow yesterday. He could not attend the funeral ceremony. He has in fact been admitted to PGI. He was flown by an air ambulance. And he is likely to be there till the 13 days of the rituals that are likely to take place. But whether this scene of crime has been tampered with by the local police or by the family members or someone else, that is a matter of investigation.
Okay, Hemendra, just stay with us. We're also getting a reaction from the Congress party, which is, of course, demanding a CBI probe in the case.
हमने केवल एक स्पष्ट मांग की है कि अगर पारदर्शिता हो तो फिर सीबीआई जांच से क्यों हम नकार रहे हैं। जब लोगों ने कहा कि कर्नाटक में जो मामला उठा वो सीबीआई को सौंपा जाना चाहिए, कर्नाटक के मुख्यमंत्री ने तो सीबीआई को सौंप दिया, तो आज मध्य प्रदेश में सीबीआई को क्यों नहीं सौंपा जा रहा है? और पिछले 1.5 साल से और चक्कर के अंदर चक्कर। और आज मुझे इस बात का दुख है कि हमारे राज्यपाल के पुत्र का दुखद निधन हुआ है, लेकिन उसमें भी प्रश्न जरूर उठते हैं। और आज हम लोग चाहते हैं कि इस घोटाले का खुलासा हो, हम चाहते हैं कि एक पारदर्शिता के साथ एक इंक्वायरी हो, और अगर आप भी वही चाहते हो तो सीबीआई को सौंपो। क्या कठिनाई है सीबीआई को सौंपने में?
Okay, Hemendra is still with us on the phone line. Hemendra, we just heard Jyotiraditya Scindia of the Congress demanding a CBI probe very strongly in this case, and perhaps now with this latest development, the demand becomes even more stronger for a CBI inquiry.
Well, yes, the Congress has been consistently demanding a CBI inquiry into this entire weapons scam, but yesterday and day before yesterday, when the news of the governor's son's death came in, the Congress was quick to react, and they said that yes, a separate CBI inquiry into the death of Shailesh Yadav needs to be done, because he was involved in the weapons scam, not just in the forest constable recruitment scam, but also he was served notices for his role in the PMD admission scam. He was supposed to reply to that scam, and in between there was a letter that was received by the STF from allegedly from Shailesh Yadav. It was a typed letter in which he was saying that he has been harassed by the investigating agencies. Whether it was written by Shailesh Yadav or someone on behalf of Shailesh Yadav wrote it to it, or someone was just trying to play mischief with the STF, that is being investigated. But an unsigned typed letter was received by the STF. So the Congress was quick and is now firm on its demand that a CBI inquiry needs to be done into Shailesh Yadav's death.
Okay, and Hemendra, also, there seems to be a disconnect sort of a thing here, because the family members of Shailesh Yadav are consistently saying that we don't suspect any foul play. On the other hand, the local Congress leadership is demanding, a CBI inquiry into the case. As far as Shailesh Yadav's family is concerned, are they keen on a CBI inquiry at all?
Well, the family members have been saying since yesterday that they don't suspect any foul play, and they are not interested in any kind of an investigation into the death of Shailesh Yadav. Whether it is a case of suicide or homicide, that has to be found out. But the family, it appears, is saying all this because they don't want any further muck on the family, in the sense that the name of Shailesh Yadav was there in the weapons scam. His father, the governor of Madhya Pradesh, against him also an FIR has been lodged. And all these things are likely to come out in the open as to why he was murdered or why he committed suicide, if at all.
Okay.
So the family insists
Hemendra,
that it should be given a quiet burial.